touch-free, trouble-free. The SmartWash Storm is an automatic two-step cleaning process designed to clean and maintain a fleet of locomotives with wash water pumps, precise chemical pumps, and belt drive spinners pushing 280 GPM at 390 PSI. It's powerful enough to remove caked-on diesel from even the most neglected train cars. When you purchase this system, you will soon see a high return on your investment. No more lengthy washes requiring several employees and a lot of elbow grease. Instead, Storm does it all for you, keeping your trains on the track instead of in the wash bay.